ATX Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to ATX tax software are in the description if you want to check it out. ATX is a professional tax preparation software designed primarily for small to mid-sized accounting firms handling complex individual and business returns. It supports federal, state, and local tax filings, including 1040, 112020, 1120S, 1065, and more, with built-in compliance tools. The software provides an extensive form library, making it useful for firms managing diverse tax situations. Its user interface is straightforward, though it leans more towards functionality than aesthetics. A key strength is its calculation accuracy and real-time error checking, which helps minimize filing mistakes. ATX includes integration with accounting software, e-filing capabilities, and client data management, allowing tax professionals to streamline workflows. However, it does require a learning curve, especially for new users unfamiliar with professional tax software. Pricing varies based on the plan, with higher tiers offering additional forms and support. While ATX is not the most beginner-friendly, it's a solid choice for professionals who need a reliable, form-based tax solution with strong compliance support. If you're a tax preparer handling a variety of returns and need a comprehensive system, ATX is worth considering. Links to the software are below if you want to explore it further.